Okay, so let's continue working with solving equations. Let's do this equation we have here. Again, we know it's an equation because it has an equal sign. And the only thing that is different between this problem and the one we were doing in the previous video is that we have a parentheses. So we have to do that parentheses first. And just remember, parentheses means, in this case, multiplication. We have a 3 in front that's going to multiply everything inside. So I'm going to do 3 times x. That's going to be 3x. And I'm going to do positive 3 times positive 2. And that's going to be positive 6. Same thing we were doing at the beginning of this week and last week when we were simplifying expressions by applying the distributive property. We're just going to solve those. We're going to simplify those parentheses by doing those multiplications. Okay. And now my equation looks a lot like the ones we were working with before. Once I've done that distributive property, and just remember to do it correctly, I can continue solving my equations and I shouldn't have any problems. So I'm going to do now, get rid of this 6 because I want to isolate the x. So I'm going to put minus 6 on both sides. These 6's cancel out. And on the left now I have 3x. And on the right, I have to combine this negative 3 with this negative 6. So I'm going to stand on negative 3. And I'm going to move 6 steps to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I land on negative 9. Okay. This 3 is multiplying the x. Sorry about that. This 3 is multiplying the x, so to get rid of it, I'm going to divide by 3. And since I divided by 3 on one side, I'm going to divide by 3 on the other side. These two 3's cancel out, and I end up with x equals negative 9 divided by positive 3. The rules of division are the same as multiplication, so negative divided by a positive is going to be a negative, and 9 divided by 3 is just going to be 3. So in the end, this would be our solution to the equation.